Hi Facebook, this is Erica from the Minute Kitchen. I have Paul here with me.
Hi everyone.
We are going to show you guys, we're actually not cooking something today, we're going to show you how to dye Easter eggs using minute rice. As you can see, it leaves a really fun texture on the eggs. Paul, why don't you show them what they're going to need to do this?
Yeah, to make this cool Easter egg effect, you're going to need some actual hard-boiled eggs, some minute rice from your cabinet, some Ziploc bags, and some food dye, and also a rack to dry your eggs on once they're done being dyed. So Erica is going to walk us through how to do that.
Absolutely. So all you're going to need is half a cup of minute rice, uncooked obviously, because it's coming from the box. Put it in a Ziploc baggie with about 8 to 10 drops of food coloring.
Could you do more than half a cup, or?
You can. It just, what we found out is it coats the egg more and doesn't leave as much texture.
Okay.
So you just shake it real quick to mix it. It doesn't have to be fully mixed, just a little bit. Then you'll take an egg, throw it in there, shake for a couple more seconds, and ta-da! You have this fun colored egg.
Look at that.
Now, as you can see over here, we did multiple colors, so you can layer them and it just creates a different effect. So take a dried egg and you can throw it in there. This is a blue and red, matches our box. Quick shake. Now this one didn't come out as well, but you can see how it kind of adds an extra color on that egg.
That's really cool. How about we do maybe another one with a different color over there?
Okay, so we're going to take this purple. As you can see, it's kind of dried out. It was from earlier. Throw an egg in there. It's not leaving as much color. It's kind of dried out, so...
How can we fix that?
You can just throw a couple drops of water in there. And shake it up. It kind of lightens that back up. This is a fun thing to do with your kids. It's pretty mess free and easy. Oh, and you can see the purple on there.
Look at that. It's kind of different than the other ones too. Looks good.
Oh, cool. Well, thank you guys for joining us this afternoon. We hope you enjoyed doing this with your family. Feel free to comment and let us know what you'd like to see from us in the future.
Cool. Thanks everyone. Happy Easter.